You must take care of the earth. It has been given to you to sustain you. A beautiful world, a gem in the universe of barren planets and inhospitable places. Humanity knows not of the wealth of this world, in contrast to the greater community of life, which surrounds you and of which you have always been a part. Take from this world, but give back to it. Clear its forests, but then replant them. If you must pollute its streams and waters, you must cleanse them and purify them. If you err by clouding the skies, then you must clear the skies. For if the earth fails you as a home, if it fails to sustain you because of the great abuse you have put upon it, then God will not save you. If your soils become toxic and you cannot grow food, and your people are in travail, God will not save you. For you have destroyed your home out of greed, out of arrogance, out of ignorance. You have destroyed the fertile lands and the pure air and the clean running waters of this world. You will not find these things in the universe around you, for they exist only in rare places, far, far away. If you will not honor God's great gift of this world, a place for the separated to live, where they will have an opportunity to discover, through the power and presence of knowledge within them, their sacred and primary relationship with the Lord. You will not honor this environment, this sacred ground, and God will not save you. You must restore the world to have a future here. Heed this warning then. It is the warning of dire consequences, but it is also a gift of love, a gift of honest recognition, a gift of honest relationship that you have with the source of your life. Honor this world, and there will be a promise of a greater life and a new way forward for each one of you and for all of you together.